All right, so we are now on Steam, and you can get Counter-Strike 2 for free on Steam. All you need to do is go to the search bar over here under your wish list and type in Counter-Strike, and it's gonna show. It's gonna pop up. It's gonna be the first one too. So just click on that, right? And just the free version is free, as you can see here. Or if you want a premium status upgrade, you can buy it for a couple dozen dollars. So just click on play, add to library, right? So as you can see here, Counter-Strike 2 has been added to your account. It is now available in your Steam library. So just click OK. It's not showing, but as you can see here, it says in library. All you need to do is just click play now for it to start downloading. As you can see, choose D, because that's where I download my games. So click install. And as you can see here, Counter-Strike 2 is now starting to be downloaded and automatically installed by Steam. So that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.